Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make digital timer with light wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. RCBO circuit breaker, digital timer, light, switch, phase connection input to RCBO, neutral connection input to RCBO, phase connection output from RCBO to connect digital timer, output connection from digital timer to connect light, neutral connection from RCBO to connect digital timer, neutral connection from digital timer to light, phase connection to switch, neutral connection to switch. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.